story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going on a tour at the yard. Not gonna be in your house vlog, just outside for showing how outside look at my lawn. So guys, look at this big nice lawn right here. You see the lawn nice? The lawn are real nice, guys. Look at this beautiful lawn. You know, it's very nice. And then I'm gonna go around into the back. Let me put my shoes up because it does have snake and thing. A lot of snake is here, and I don't want to get bitten by a snake. The mail truck just come, guys. Whoops, me a drop. People, me a drop. So yes, guys, I'm actually gonna walk to the back right now to show you guys what's going on. If anything bite me, I'm gonna blame you. This is the other side of the house. Yes, this is the trees. You see when I back full of tree? I have video over the neighbor yard. This is like what? This is the house bottom. See this, guys, this is the what would I call the house bottom. It's very big under there. And dark. Scary too. You see under here big? Look the people. We just like store stuff under there. It's very big. Like me can actually stand up under here. Guys, I'm afraid to come around here. I'm not really come around here. We have a light too. We have a light though, guys. We just store stuff under here. See what house bottom tall? So I actually stand up under here. You see that? I actually stand up. It's dirt floor. So I'm gonna look at tour. Look at outside, you know, guys. So actually under the house bottom. Under the house bottom, you could actually build some room under there. It's my mouth white, guys. Sorry about that. So see it there? Look on the land. Very pretty, very big. The one cut right now. It just cut, but as rain falls, so cut and rain fall, it does come back to square one. This is me, so it's very big out here, guys. Normally I always have a pool out right here when the kids come. I normally put the pool right here, so you know them portable pool, but it's very big because I actually have sand. As you can see, you see the sand them? I buy the sand, but grass grow through them. So normally I make somebody come back and cut it because it's a level. And then I'll put the pool here. So we have that's like where they call like a wrecker right there, so the yard big. Look at the yard. Actually the land go way back. Guys, I am so scared. I'm not gonna go down in that bush because sometimes I see deer. I don't think deer is harmful, but I'm not really like a nature person. Look at these trees. So all of them something the way I see them bush there. They so if them cut way, the land go way back. So the land is very big. Like we can actually build a next house around here if we want to. You know? Down there is where you see that thing there. I don't know if you could see the fencing. Let me take a little walk down there, guys. I have my shoes, I just open a snake. Don't bite me. I know deer or nothing. That's why I don't want to go down there because them say I go dog worship. Next thing them come look for me and them can't find me. Something drag me away in a bush. So yes, guys, you see that fencing there. I don't know if y'all could see it. I think y'all could see the fencing. It's right there. You see it? Right there. So my finger point. Yes, people. Right there. Yeah, see it there? Very better. That's how we used to plant stuff in. I recently planted Spanish thyme for my grandmother, guys. Let me see what I go on for the Spanish thyme. I actually just planted these the other day, guys. I like it a catch. I just planted them for my grandmother. So who knows Spanish thyme? These are what you call Spanish thyme. Trinidad people just use it a lot for seasoning and everything. It smells good, yes, it's strong. Trinidad people use this for. I actually plant these, guys. So I have a little use, you know. I have a little bit of use. My grandmother is gonna be so happy when she see these. Them actually are grow. Yeah. It was like 2 little piece, and them actually I grow. It have a time when we have pumpkin full all around here. We have pumpkin galore. It have a time we have so much pumpkin grow on the fence. Like all over. Pumpkin was everywhere. And all of them pots here, when my cousin did there, used to live here, he used to plant stuff in all of them pots here. But the coconut, they like it plant this, but it never catch shit. I don't know what kind of tree this here, guys. This tree, I definitely don't know what it is, but it like that fungus on it. So, guess what? And this right here now, guys, you light it in the night time, and it helps to burn out the bugs. So these are really for the bug. These things right here, you use them to get rid of the bug. So yeah, so it's an outside tour, not too long, you know, not too long. As I tell you now, normally my cousin did still live at the house. All this summer, you just see out of so full of stuff. Either I have callaloo or I have something, because I'm always a plant. Pumpkin, it's about time out of stuff full of pumpkin, like real nice. But I think I'm gonna get back my pool, because at even time when I come home, sometimes even though I have the YouTube, I could be doing some live out here. But then my father also play music, so my dad is always playing music. So I hope nothing not going at the house, because I'm going on the back and leave this up open. But I doubt it. I have camera on my yard. So, yeah. This is the driveway. This is the driveway. The driveway big. You see that? Yes, people. So yeah. I'm here. You see garage and big. The garage big. Too big or something. Yes, I'm going inside now. Woohoo! I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna make me turn on the light. I really don't remember. And if I go around the so, I'm supposed to turn off the light, but I don't think I turn it off. So I'm gonna check to be sure. I want to be sure. So you see, guys, is that my head not really thick, you know? I know me not turn off the light. You see that? I know me never turn it off, because I was moving so fast and talking, and I end up come out and didn't turn off the light. You see, my people. So yes. So this is nature. This is nature. You see me? We put them the day, them at the ramp out right now. Nature is nice, right? Yes, guys. So thank you guys so much for my video. Hope you guys enjoy this little nature video. It's all about nature. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.